Hello everybody on YouTube. In this video I will be reacting to Nona with Honk, the dance performance video. I have reacted to the dance video and the official music video. Now we have the dance performance video, and honestly I could watch this, like any performance of Honk, over and over. Like I could listen to Honk 10,000 times and watch videos 10,000 times over. I love the track, the choreo as well. It's super catchy. I'm in love with it. And here we get to see it even more. So let's do it. The dance performance video. Let's do it. Let's go. Honk. Thank you so much to all the orchids as well. You guys have been showing me so much love in the comment section. They have so much order, man. Whoa, that's cool. Sorry to just pause it already. I know we just started the reaction. Let me just look at that entrance again. That's so cool.
Look at me, look at her. Pics in the rearview mirror. Put him up, toasted. Buckle up out and
outfits are amazing.
If we in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah, get in the taxi, never pass me. Ready, set, go. Get on the Honk.
Beep beep. Nona on your license plate. Wait, look at what's happening in the background, man. Like, I was so focused on the girls, and then I saw the background for a second. There's like guys on bikes doing wheelies. Nona on your license. Like, look at the back. Esther, I love this part. Beep beep. Beep beep. Christy. I've seen it now for like the 10th time already because I've rewatched the previous dance video like so many times. The way she hits that flip. Like, do you call it a flip? It's like a cartwheel, or like, I don't know what you call it. But like, the way that she hits that move, it's so effortless. Like, genuinely, she is so flexible. I mean, I'm thinking back to Nona Work music video, like that blew my mind. But she can just whip it out whenever she wants to, like her flexible moves in heels. I swear that's super hard to do in heels. Like, look. Go to LA. I can't believe Christy's doing that in heels, man. I'm sold. That was cinema. That was fire. I'm going to watch it back again. Because I love it. Because I love it. This is an amazing performance, man. An amazing song. It's so, every single song from Nona, it's so catchy, man. I can't wait until we get the album. I can't wait. Like, I wish it could drop this month.
Look at me, look at her. Pics in the rearview mirror. Put him up, toasted. Buckle up out of here. You'll be in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah. Get in the taxi, never pass me. Ready, set, go. Get on the Honk.
Beep, beep.
Get on the Honk.
So smooth how they do that.
Get on the Honk. Wheels on the bus go round and round. Got
Wait. Shaz, how did you not, like, hurt your knees when you did that slide over? What?
Get on the Honk. Wheels
Whoa.
on the bus go round and
I guess she is wearing, like, jeans, so
we make it bounce.
maybe it's fine.
Tropical taste with my itty bitty waist, but my heart in your face, and I always got my way. Bumping that bass and I make a speaker break. Gotta take it to your place, but I won't drop straight.
N-O-N-A on your license plate.
Jump to like me. If you're wondering, baby, how I got it on
This is like my favorite part, man. It's this vocals are so smooth, man.
Get on the Encore.
Oh, I love it. I love it. Goodbye. They killed it, man. They killed it. They killed it. This set, this scene where they are at. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wait, I wonder if this is the same. It seems similar to like the music video. So maybe when they shot the music video, they shot the performance video as well. That could be the case. I need to go rewatch the music video and like match up things. But yeah, I love this. I love this, man. I could watch, like, give us another performance video. Give us you guys performing this live. I will watch every single performance of this. Orchids, you guys have been so warm and so welcoming to me as well. I mean, I know I haven't been reacting to Nona for that long, but I'm trying to catch up on everything. I need to do a lot of their like Q&As and many of their videos that they have posted on their channel, but I think I have reacted to most of their songs. I haven't done their lullabies though. Should I react to their lullabies? I think I'll make it like one video if I do to all the lullabies. I don't really know what the lullabies are exactly. Are they like songs like with lyrics and stuff? I don't know. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed my reaction to this, and I'll see you guys soon. Take care, peace, and bye.